Hey guys, what's going on? Jamie here. Just wanted to do a quick video for BitGoldix. This is a platform that I've been in for about 2 months, a little over 2 months. Um, and it's been paying smoothly. We haven't really been doing a whole lot of promotion for it or doing a whole lot of videos. For not for any reason. Just had my eye on a couple of other different platforms, but wanted to circle back to it because again, it's been working really, really well, and they've been enhancing the back office. Right now, they have a promo going on that leads into their launch event in Thailand. So things are really starting to heat up with BitGoldix. And again, anytime you have a platform that's paying and doing what it's supposed to do, and just working, um, in my opinion, it deserves attention, right? So let's go ahead and show you what this earnings calculator looks like in their back office. First of all, I want to start off by saying that I am not a financial advisor. Never take anything I say as financial advice. If you decide to jump into BitGoldix or anything we talk about, please do your own research and due diligence and only put in what you can afford to lose, guys. Okay, risk capital only. Also follow me on Telegram. I'll leave a link for that down below. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So yeah, if you want an overview, an actual overview for BitGoldX, I'll post it. I'll post a link to an overview I did in the description box. In this video, we're not really doing an overview. I'm just going to show you this hypothetical calculator and this, the potential earnings you can have um, if you get involved. Now, it's a little bit different from other platforms that you've seen on my channel. It actually revolves around Forex. It's trading the gold USD pair, and passive earnings are earned weekly. There's a profit share that goes on with the company. The more you put in, though, the more you deposit with, the more you're trading with, the more of that profit share you get to keep. So again, it's very familiar with another platform that's been out in the space for many, many months. Will this have the same track record, or can it perform the same as that other platform? We'll see, but there are a lot of similarities. They both revolve around Forex. They're both, the comp plan is very, very similar. So if you missed that opportunity to get into that other platform, you might as well just say the name. It's Polar Tensor, right? Um, Great platform, doing great things. They've been around for a long time. But if you missed the opportunity to get in early on that one, this might be, your second chance, right? So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But so far, so good. They're doing really, really well. Very, very active on Telegram. They do Zooms. And again, they have a lot happening leading into their first event in Thailand. So anyway, let's go in here. Log into your back office. Again, it's pretty easy to use. You deposit into the platform, and you activate a contract. Once you activate a contract, 12% goes into the licensing fee, and then the other 88% goes into your trading account. That's what you actually trade with and earn on a weekly basis. Okay. Um, so again, watch the overview that I did. I'll leave a link for that down below. This is the earnings calculator. Let's play around with this. Okay. Let's just say you put 10,000 in. No, again, I'm not saying for you to do that. This is just for easy math. We're just showing what a $10,000, what that would get you in this platform. Okay. Of course, get in where you fit in. You can always scale up. Oh, the other thing real quick that people like about this platform is you can pull your capital out. 85% of your capital you can pull out at any time. There's a 15% fee, but still, 85% is still a lot more than other platforms that don't allow you to pull anything out. So, there's a lot of flexibility here. Your funds aren't locked. And, they do have in my opinion, a sustainable model, right? Because it's not overpaying both on the active side and on the passive side. It's not overly aggressive. At least that's just, my opinion. Go check it out for yourself. Anyway, you put 10,000 in. Let's just say you put it in for, let's put 6 months here. Okay. And again, the average that this platform has been doing is 0.7 to 1% a day. Of course, a lot of that entails, how much you put in. But let's just say on average, you're getting 0.85%, right? We'll go the average, because again, it ranges from 0.7 to 1%. And let's say you don't reinvest at all. I don't know, we'll play with the numbers here. Uh, let's say you don't reinvest at all. Then we'll do another scenario where you reinvest. Okay. Well, at the end of 6 months, your total profit would be 6,844. That's 68%, 68.44% in 6 months. That's not bad at all. It's about 10, what was that 10, between 10 to 11%? My math is right. A little bit over, no, it's actually a little bit over 11% per month profit. Okay. So very, very competitive, very, very attractive. Platforms that pay 10, 11, 12% a month, a lot of times they run for a long time. Not, again, I can't guarantee anything, but just on my experience, any platform that pays anywhere from 10 to 12%, they have they usually have a long run, right? Daily earnings would be $52, right? Again, it trades Monday through Friday, by the way. And your contract value by then would be $8,800. Okay. So very, 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 very respectable. If you scroll down, see if I can scroll down. Yeah. It actually breaks everything down. Day zero, you invest 10,000. After the 12% license fee, 8,800 starts working for you. And that earns you about $52 per trading day. You keep 70% of the profit because with a $10,000 deposit, you have a 70-30 split profit share. So you keep 70% of that. Okay. By the end of month 6, says it right here, $6,844 in total profit, contract value 8,800. And again, you would have been earning $52 and change per day. So this gives you a nice little chart, little breakdown here. And it also shows you, let's see. It also shows you some graphs here. Okay. Now let's go back here. Let's keep the numbers the same, right? And instead of 0%, let's say of course, you're probably not going to compound all 100%, although you probably can do that. Let's just say you reinvest 50%. So you pull out 50% and you compound 50%. So every week, right, you're compounding 50% and withdrawing 50% because you want to, pull capital out and recoup what you put in. But you're compounding still, right? Well, look at the numbers now. Now you have $7,600 profit. That's 76%, which let me just pull out my calculator here. 76.7, hold on a second. 76.16% divided by 6 months is 12.7% per month. So because you're compounding, you're going to get a little bit more, 12.7% a month. Your daily earnings would be $73, right, per trading day, 73.43. And then your contract value would be 12,366. So that's if you were compounding 50%, right? So yeah, just the same numbers, same amount that you put in, same 6 months, okay, same average here. But if you're compounding 50%, let's just say, just for example's sake, let's say you compound 100%. Again, I don't know if you're going to do that or not. Some people, they'll just put money in here and not look at it. Okay. Well, if you do that, look at this. It's $8,500 you'll get in 6 months. So if we do the math, I got my calculator here on my phone, 85.04 divided by 6 months. That's about 14% plus, 14.17% per month. Again, that's really attractive, right? You're making $100 a day, and your contract value at the end of 6 months would be 17,303. So again, you can, you might say, well, at the end of 6 months, what happens? Does it stop? No, you can continue. Like for example, if you do run these same numbers and let's just say we do 1 year. We're not doing 6 years. We're doing 1 year. Let's see here. 1 year. Well, look at this. So 10,000, right? You let it run for a year, average is 0.85%. Now let's say you're compounding 100%. Again, you probably won't do that. Just for demo purposes, we're just showing you here what happens when you play around with these numbers. 100% compound. Now your profit is 25%, or excuse me, 25,000, right? 250% for a year. So what is that? 250.8 divided by 12 months. That's 21% per month. So again, and of course, that's because you're compounding 100%. You may not want to do that, but just showing you here how you can play around with this and you can calculate and see what happens. Of course, there's no guarantees because it's based on trading, but it's just showing you an example, a hypothetical example based on past performance, right? Of course, past performance guarantee future, but it's a good indicator. So you can see here $200 a day. You get $200 a day, and your contract value would be 33,800. So if you had 10 grand, you lock it up for a year, compound for 100%, you got yourself a $200 a day payout here. Let's say you want to not compound 100 a day, you want to maybe compound 50% and then let 50% withdraw, right? Well, you look at here, $100 a day. You have 18,244 for the 12 months. What is that? 182.44 divided by 12 months. That's 15.2%. 15.2% per month. You got almost $103 that you're making per day. And your contract value at the end of the year would be 17,342. Not bad, considering that you put in 10K and 88% of that went towards trading. So we have a platform here that could potentially be a long-term play. Just gauging the numbers and looking at it and looking at the comp plan. Again, they're not overpaying on the comp plan either. And you look at other platforms that are running side by side right now, like Polar Tensor, that is doing pretty much very, very similar numbers as far as how their model works. And they've been around for months doing great. Imagine getting in early on that. So here we have an opportunity to get in early. And if this runs for however long it runs and you're earning, and the only thing I would probably suggest is make sure you're withdrawing a little bit, even if it's a little bit, always pull profit. That way you're recouping your seed capital and pulling, you're reducing the risk. You're reducing the risk as you pull capital out. Then you just let the rest of it, ride, right? So you can play around with this. You can go crazy with it. You can play around. You can change this number, right? Instead of 10,000, you put 5,000 or whatever, right? Let me see here. Let's say I'm considering probably putting maybe 25,000 into this. Let it run for a year, leave this average. And let's say I keep a 50-50 split here where I compound 50 and withdraw 50. Here it's $257 a day, right? 182%. 182.44% divided by 12 months. Yeah, 15.2%, that's $257 per day. And my contract value would be 43,355. So yeah, it's very strong numbers as far as looking like it's the best of both worlds. On one hand, you have very competitive numbers, right? It's attractive, right? On the other hand, it's not overly paying, like it's not paying out 2, 3, 4, 5% a day or anything like that. So it could be quite sustainable. But yeah, this is again, I'm going to just increase my deposit amount because we have a deposit that's been running for 2 months. Platform's only been around for 2 months. I got it on day one. I think it was day one or day two that I got in. So we've been earning with this. But now we're going to start to scale it, start to build our position. And I really like what they see. I was kind of watching it a little bit from a distance and seeing what it does. And, happy with what they're doing right now. And again, they're starting to build momentum going into their launch event, in Thailand. So, check this out. It's called BitGoldIX. I'll leave a link down below. As always, guys, do your own research and due diligence, risk capital only. And, make sure you follow me on Telegram, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.